Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your skin has lost its natural glow, no matter how many creams or serums you use? What if I told you that the secret to a fairer, brighter, and more even skin tone isn't something you apply on your body, but something you drink? Yes, a simple, natural drink made right in your kitchen could help transform your skin from dull to radiant from the inside out. We all dream of having that healthy, glowing skin, but life just gets in the way. Things like sun exposure, pollution, a poor diet, stress, and even a lack of sleep can slowly strip away our skin's natural brightness. It's frustrating, right? You try everything, you follow all the rules, but that radiant complexion seems just out of reach. As we get older, melanin, which is the pigment responsible for our skin tone, can start to become uneven. This is what leads to that dullness, those dark patches, and an overall tired look. So many people end up spending thousands on whitening creams, bleaching products, and expensive facials. But here's the thing, most of these treatments only work on the surface. They're like putting a bandage on a deeper issue. The real, lasting glow, the kind that makes people ask what your secret is, comes from within. Think about it. If your body is full of toxins or dealing with constant inflammation, no cream in the world can truly fix that glowless, tired appearance. It's like trying to grow a beautiful flower in unhealthy soil. It just won't work. So, what if there was a simple, homemade drink made from ingredients you probably already have that could naturally purify your blood, help repair your skin cells, and bring back that youthful, radiant glow? By the end of this video, you'll learn a scientifically backed, 100% natural recipe that can help detoxify your body, lighten pigmentation, and make your skin appear visibly fairer, all without any harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. This isn't just a random concoction, it's a powerful combination of ingredients that have been used for centuries for skin rejuvenation and promoting that inner glow. I'm going to share the exact recipe with you and explain how to use it for the best results. But first, let's quickly dive into the science of why this works, so you understand the magic happening inside your body. Beautiful skin always starts with a clean, nourished body. The key to achieving natural skin brightening and that coveted glow lies in three fundamental things: detoxification, proper hydration, and cellular repair. And the amazing drink we're about to make covers all three of these pillars beautifully. So, let's break down our star ingredients. The first one is a true classic: lemon. Lemons are nature's vitamin C powerhouse. Now, why is vitamin C so crucial for our skin? Well, vitamin C has been shown to reduce melanin production. This is the pigment that causes dark spots and uneven skin tone. By inhibiting it, vitamin C helps lighten those spots and promotes a much more even complexion. But that's not all. It also plays a vital role in boosting collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps our skin looking youthful, firm, and bouncy. So, more vitamin C means brighter, firmer skin. Our second superstar ingredient is turmeric, often called the golden glow spice for a very good reason. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin, and it's a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a major enemy of clear skin. It can cause redness, breakouts, and a dull appearance. Curcumin helps calm this inflammation from within. It also fights acne-causing bacteria and naturally brightens the skin. Some studies even suggest it acts like an internal sunscreen, helping to protect your skin from UV damage that leads to dullness and premature aging. It's a true golden hero for our skin. Next up, we add cucumber. You might think of cucumbers for eye masks, but they are just as powerful when you consume them. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants and, most importantly, water. They are incredible for flushing out toxins from your system and hydrating your body from the cellular level. And when your body is well hydrated, your skin reflects it immediately. It becomes softer, plumper, and has a natural clarity and sheen. Dehydration is one of the fastest ways to make your skin look old and tired. So cucumber is our answer to that. Then we have another incredible ingredient, aloe vera juice. For centuries, aloe vera has been hailed as one of the most powerful skin-healing plants on the planet. When you drink its juice, you're tapping into that healing power internally. Aloe is known to help with hyperpigmentation, hydrate the skin deeply, and promote the regeneration of new, healthy skin cells. It essentially helps your skin heal and renew itself faster, revealing a fresher, more vibrant layer of skin. And finally, we include just a tiny pinch of black pepper. This might sound like a strange addition to a beauty drink, but this is the secret that ties everything together. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. This little secret is a bioavailability enhancer. It significantly boosts your body's ability to absorb the curcumin from the turmeric by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo. 2,000%. So that small pinch of pepper makes the turmeric exponentially more effective. It's a tiny step that makes a massive difference in your results. So now you know the why. Let's get to the how. Here's how you prepare this amazing full-body whitening and glow drink. It's incredibly simple. In a blender, you're going to add half a cucumber, peeled and chopped. Then add 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel or juice. Make sure you get a good quality one meant for consumption. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or a small piece of fresh turmeric root. And don't forget that crucial pinch of black pepper. Finally, add 1 glass of water. Now, just blend it all together until it's smooth. Pour it into a glass and drink it fresh every single morning on an empty stomach. Why on an empty stomach? Because this allows your body to absorb all those wonderful nutrients without anything else getting in the way. It gives your system a clean, powerful start to the day. Consistency is key here. Make this a part of your morning ritual. Within 2 to 3 weeks of drinking this daily, you should start to notice a real difference. Your skin will begin to look clearer, feel cleaner, and appear brighter and more radiant. And the best part? This isn't just about beauty. This drink is a gift to your entire body. It supports your liver's detoxification processes, boosts your digestion, and improves your overall health and energy levels. Remember, your skin tells the story of how you treat your body. It's a mirror reflecting your internal health. When you nourish yourself with natural, healing foods, it shows. It shines through not just on your face, but in your energy and your confidence. Taking care of your body from the inside out is one of the kindest and most effective forms of self-love. So, let's go back to our original question. Can a simple drink really make your skin fairer and more glowing? The answer is a resounding yes. When that drink cleanses your system, supports your liver, and feeds your skin the exact nutrients it needs from within, your outer glow becomes a direct reflection of your inner health. This isn't a quick, temporary fix, it's a sustainable, natural transformation. So, I invite you to start your mornings with this full-body glow drink and watch as your skin begins to glow like never before. Because true, lasting beauty doesn't come from a bottle of cream. It comes from achieving balance, nurturing your health, and harnessing the power of nature. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need a little glow up in their life. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health and beauty tips just like this one. Your journey to radiant skin starts today, from the inside out. Thanks for watching.